name could this be? Could you be someone? I'm not usually the type to be having these thoughts. How could you give me the butterflies? When I met your eyes, you flashed a smile. I'm hoping that you'll stay a while. Oh, tell me what you came for. Honestly, I don't know if you'll stay or not. But for now, I'm betting on us, 'cause I'm hoping that you'll stay a while. Tell me, won't you stay a while? Stay for a while. Can you stay a while? Oh, you got me hoping that you'll stay a while. Stay for a while. Can you stay?
I had some plans, but I'm having second thoughts. You keep taking glances across the coffee shop. Maybe we could sit and just do nothing, but it's not like I mind. That's my favorite time. You said you like my smile, but I don't get it. Still not really sure if you meant it, but my face is turning redder than your sweatshirt. You know that I would stay a while. So tell me what you came for. Honestly, I don't know if you'll stay or not. But for now, I'm betting on us, 'cause I'm hoping that you'll stay a while. So tell me, won't you stay a while? Stay for a while. Can you stay a while? Oh, you got me hoping that you'll stay a while. Stay for a while. Can you stay? Oh, tell me, won't you stay a while? Stay for a while. Can you stay a while? Oh, you got me hoping that you'll stay a while. Stay for a while. Can you stay? Oh.
Have to go?
I don't want to. Are you ready?